Guys, I've just come to have a look at this little aluminium dinghy which the owner is getting rid of. I think it's a 14 foot. Hasn't been in the water for quite a few years. It's a bit of a mess. The trailer looks okay. A bit of rust down there. It looks like it's had a few repairs to the rivets there. There's not a lot of corrosion on the hull. These rivets start leaking sometimes on these old Virans. Mariner 30 horse. You hold that up. Yeah. Sometimes these tend to crack at the transom, but this one doesn't look too bad. Looks pretty solid. That transom still looks pretty solid. It actually doesn't look too bad under there. Self-mixing two-stroke. Still turning over alright. I'll just check those wheel bearings and we'll get it out of here and give it a good clean up and see if I can get that motor going. It's got a bit of a flat spot on the tyre there. It's been sitting on that spot for a while. That is actually a little bit cracked. It's still pretty solid though. Those bearings feel good. Still got a little bit of a flat spot there, but I think that'll come right. And this other one is flat, so hopefully the tyre's okay. It's not too badly cracked, it might be okay. It's nothing worse than the other side. Well, it seems to be holding air. It must just have a slow leak.